New construction is exciting, but I think it's also one of the most difficult decisions for people to decide because you're looking at a floor plan. You can't always touch and feel and truly understand exactly what you're buying, and we're talking about the most money that you're going to spend probably at one time in your lifetime. So what we want to do today is take you from renderings to reality. We're at downtown Greenville's hottest new neighborhood, the Kitson, and these aren't done yet. They're in the process of being done, but come on, let's give you a tour. When it comes to buying a townhome in downtown Greenville, having a garage is a true luxury, especially a two-car garage like this one that's side by side. You can't always find that. So this is one of the huge benefits to buying at the Kitson. So we're in the middle of construction, so everything isn't perfect and it's not beautiful, but I wanted to give you a sense of what these floor plans translate into. So you've got more storage here, again, which is huge for a townhome. This is the 3-bedroom at the Kitson, so you have a bedroom on that first floor. Your front door is right there as well. So this is the bedroom on the first floor, okay? You've got private closet and you've got a private bathroom. We can't go in there. They've got the tile down. Let's go back to the front door. So you're going to be greeted here, lots of light. This is how your guests will probably come in, and then you're going to go up a staircase, and on that second level is where we'll show you the kitchen and the living room. So on the second level is where your main living area is. We've got the sheetrock up, the walls are painted, the trim is up, the windows are in. Next step, we'll put in the floors. This is where your island is going to be. You're going to have your refrigerator, your range, get you that chef's triangle. Over here you've got the deck for your private seating. Then you've got a little nook here that you could put a desk or you can turn into a bar. You've got your pantry in there. Then you've got your bathroom for guests when they come over. One of the benefits about the 3 bedrooms is they're on our end. So this is what we call an end unit, and that means more windows. So you've got tons of windows, and that gives natural light this huge opportunity to just flood in and make the space feel bigger. And so with this area in here, you've got flexibility when it comes to furniture. Like you could put a TV there if you wanted to, or you can put your TV here, you could float a couch, you could do chairs. You've really got a few different ways to make this space where you want to entertain friends and guests. And upstairs, you have 2 more bedrooms. We're in the primary suite right now, and what I love is the vaulted ceiling that you have here. Really nice, hard to find. You've got a closet, then you've got the owner's bathroom right here. They're in the middle of putting down the tile, so we don't want to disturb that, but you've got your vanity here, dual sinks, big shower, tile, private water closet, and then a bigger closet. So 2 closets in the primary suite, his and hers. So this is your secondary bedroom. Again, because it's an end unit, you've got more windows, lots of natural light, and then your private ensuite bathroom is right here with the tub shower combo. And again, you've got a vanity and the toilet all right in here. New tile just put down. A work in progress, and I can't wait to show you when it's all complete.